Hey, we're back. It has been a minute. I have not made any videos since before Thanksgiving, I think. The year got very, very busy and I did very little with ramps. So now we're back into the new year and we're getting back into the swing of things. And hopefully the next couple weeks I'll be getting some of the out of stock items back in stock again. So here's what we got going on this week. You can see a big old stack of Data East Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles ramps. One of the most popular ramps I've ever done, which is why I make quite a few of them when I run them. A little bit of work involved there. There's like 10 rivets on each one of these, so that takes a little bit of time. But and then it gets two covers on the top. There's one on the back there and then one goes on the side. So then there's another like 9 screws involved in that. So a little bit of time on these ones, but it's well worth it in the end. You get a really nice ramp. So, and we move on over here. These are the shooter lane covers for roller games. A lot of people are like, I'm not familiar with that part of the game. Well, there's stickers all over this. And the cover itself doesn't really break. It's the mounting bracket. This is formed out of plastic on this end and the other end. And they all break off. So I make brand new ones and I have these nice stainless steel pieces that I rivet on, because when the ball comes up the shooter lane, it usually hits that and busts that off. So you won't have to worry about that anymore with these. And then up at the other end, there's this Z-shaped bracket I rivet onto the far end. And again, that always breaks as well. So this pretty much bulletproofs that cover. I do sell these pieces separately on my website. They've been pretty popular over the years. So you can do it either way. I'm not aware of anybody making these stickers right now, but you may be able to reuse your old ones. This is all covered with stickers. So moving on down here, we got another whole stack of Cue Ball Wizard center trays. Seems like they're almost in every video, but I don't know where they go. But I'll keep making them. And we got mousing around. I got all 3 pieces of mousing around because I'm low on all of them. So just figured I'd get them all run off. This is the swoopy ramp around the back, and then you got, I guess this is the zip ramp, and then the middle ramp. And this game, I really like how smooth all the ramps are in this game when you play it. It's pretty fun. I think it's a little bit underrated at times, but like I said, the ramps are definitely the selling point for me in this game, just because it's just pretty satisfying to make this shot and that shot. And then moving on down here, we got more Batman ramps, which I think I made some in the last video too. So we got a few more of those. Hopefully that'll hold us over a little while. As far as what I got coming up, to be honest, I have a couple projects in mind. I'm not really going to get too in-depth on what they are right now because I don't know when they're going to get done. Things were very, very hectic the last part of the year, and just trying to keep 100 ramps in stock has kept me plenty busy, and trying to come out with new ramps right now is a little bit rough. So we'll see where the new year brings us. If there's something you're dying for, you probably have already been messaging me, and I try and be as honest as possible. I cannot make any time commitments on any new projects. They're just going to happen when they happen, if they happen. So but coming into the new year, I think I'm going to try my best to keep everything in stock again. And if that becomes too difficult, then we're going to have to change the way we do things a little bit. But for now, we're just going to keep plugging on, and hopefully 2025 is a good year for everybody. And I hope everybody had a great time for the holidays this year. It seems like Thanksgiving to Christmas was pretty slow on the ramp front, and then all of a sudden, once Christmas was gone, everybody and their brother started buying ramps again for their winter projects. So it's been pretty busy the last week or so. So anyway, there's your update. Hopefully we'll be doing some more frequent videos now that the new year is upon us. So we'll catch you again next week. I already know I have another production run going that I'm going to probably start tomorrow once these are all packaged. So check in for another video next weekend, and we'll catch you later.